Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool right here, and basically what this is a posture corrector. So they actually upgraded the design to the newest one right here. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so first thing you see inside, they provide guys a little card right here to show you guys how to use it. If you can see, they provide guys all the instructions right here to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. But right here, if you can see, we have the actual product. And then right there, if you can see, they do have the logo right there, so you guys know who it's from. But basically when you guys open up, this is basically actually looks like. So you basically want to put one arm through this way, and then the other side you want to put the other side. And they do give you guys the strap option to make it tighter or looser based on your own preference. So for those of you guys who are curious about what is the benefits of using this, so basically if you guys have like bad posture, so if you guys are on the computer all day and you guys slouch down like this, then that's really bad for you guys. So definitely getting one of these posture corrector is actually really convenient. So that actually forces you guys to actually set up when you guys put one of these on. And the cool thing about this part right here, if you guys see how they designed right here, you don't actually need to keep it out right here. If you guys want to put it inside like under like a t-shirt or something to actually keep it hidden, you can definitely do that on here, which is pretty nice. So this is basically what the product looks like right here. Let me actually put this on to show you guys how to actually put it on, and also show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so basically the way how you guys put it on is go like this. And then go the other way as well right here. Alright, so once you guys have it on, this is basically actually looks like on this side. If you turn it around to the back side, this is what it looks like in the back. And basically what's happening now is the fact that it's actually strapping my back part to actually force me to actually push my back up. So that way I won't actually slouch down when I actually use the computer, which is pretty nice. But definitely once we actually put this on, it actually feels really nice. It doesn't feel uncomfortable or anything. It actually feels really, really nice. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys put it on. And the way how you guys wash this part right here, you want to hand wash it with cold water only. And once you guys finish washing it, you can actually hang dry it. And what I do recommend is that when you guys wear this product right here, you definitely want to wear it underneath like a t-shirt or a tank top or whatever. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys put it on. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So I actually owned a few of these in the past and actually works really, really well. And once I actually put this one on, it actually feels a lot better than any of the other ones that I tried so far. There's something about the quality and the material that they use on this one right here that feels like a high quality product. So if I were to wear this all day, I don't have to worry about it being uncomfortable or anything because it actually feels really, really nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to ask the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys are on the computer all day or if you guys slouch a lot and you guys have really bad posture, then you definitely want to get one of these right here to actually force you guys to actually sit up. So that way your posture can actually improve over time, like throughout the day. Probably after like a week or 2 weeks, you probably start seeing a little bit of a result. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.